Assalamualaikum everyone. Before I start today's recipe, I want to tell you something excited. Me and my mom have taken a challenge that we will give 5 sweet recipes in 5 days. But the challenge is they are healthy, sweet recipes. If you are all interested, so please subscribe my channel, like the video and share the video with your sweet friends. Now we're starting the recipe of chicken shish kebab. My mom added less than 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to the chicken. Then added 1 teaspoon of vinegar to it and mixed it. Now my mom is adding some spices. 1 teaspoon of crushed chili and 1 teaspoon of coriander. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Half teaspoon of red chili. 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Add all the spices in the chicken and mix it. Our upcoming videos are more interesting, so please subscribe. Now my mom is adding half teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Now mix them all up and put it in a side. Now my mom has taken some vegetables, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper and some onions. Now cut them all up and put it in one bowl. Now my mom is adding 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt in it. Now mix it. Fun part! Now my mom is assembling chicken and vegetable on the stick. You can put it as you like and enjoy. Now all the sticks are ready. Now heat a pan well and put these sticks in it and cook it. After a while, you check it and flip it on the side. After a while, your chicken shish kebab is ready. Enjoy your food and do not waste food. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye guys, bye.